go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up your plate. We talk for hours and hours about the sweet and the sour and how your family.
What's good, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in to the world of Team Dawson. And today we're gonna be having what kind of video?
Slime video.
Slime. We're gonna be making some slime. What?
Yeah.
So don't mind us. We all just got in from school, and more school. It is currently 3:45 p.m. here in Hawaii. So on the way home, I stopped by Walmart and I grabbed this Nickelodeon slime kit. And in the kit, it comes with, oh, by the way, you can get this kit for about 11 bucks.
Nickelodeon.
Yeah, Nickelodeon. Boop. All right. So it comes with the white glue right here. The clear glue right here. The slime activator right here. 4 things of paint right here. Well, the color paint. Stop, boy. Some googly eyes. Where did the cups go? Some little cups right here for like storing the slime after you get done. Comes with little cups and lids. And measuring cup and 2 mixing bowls. This is a measuring cup right here. And then it came with not measuring bowls, mixing bowls, sorry. This is a measuring cup though. And then it comes with some little sticks so you don't have to actually use your hand, which is pretty neat. All of this came in this kit, I want to say for like 11 bucks. It was a pretty good deal, especially since it's just me and the kids doing this. So, stop, boy. This little kid right here. So, we decided, so on here it has the option for opaque slime and another option for translucent slime. We decided that we would do the opaque slime. And for this slime, we're gonna be using the white glue. So it says, let's make sure this open, okay. Measure out 15 milliliters of white glue using a supplied measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Okay. So, I'm gonna measure out 15 for everyone. 15 what? Milliliters. It's on this side. So we need it right here.
Oh. Mama did that.
So we need 15 for Nathaniel. We can use his scraper for him.
Yay.
Yay.
Yay for me.
Yay for you.
Now I gotta use
I'm
next.
gonna start with the youngest and go to the second youngest.
Yay.
And we're gonna give her 15 milliliters.
Milliliters.
I'm gonna give her little scraper.
A little
This is my Naomi.
Hi. Hello.
By the way, guys, by now I hope you've at least hit that thumbs up button, press that subscribe button, and comment down below for more videos like this or other things you would like to see us do.
Mama, yay.
Yay! I'm sorry. Slime for glue for mommy. Yay!
For that water.
No, this is the water over here.
That
Oh, by the way, I brought a bowl of water to the table so that I don't have to get up and go get it. So, it's mommy's glue. Okay.
I will be
Now,
Mama.
the next step is measure 30 milliliters of water, room temperature. Pour it in the same bowl as, I'm going to use this so that I can give everybody 30. So basically a full cup of water.
Water?
Okay. Water for Nathaniel.
Yay.
And some water for Naomi.
Yay. Mama,
Let's hope this works out, right? Water for mommy. Yay. You happy?
Yeah.
Okay. And then I pour mine in here. Now it says, make it fun, choose your additive. Go neon and bright to make colored slime. Measure 1 spoonful of coloring and add it into the bowl with glue and water. To make it glow. So basically right now we're just picking what we want. Okay. So what color do you want, Nick?
I want green.
You want green? Okay, so it says, where did I see that? 1 spoonful. Close enough. Okay, a spoonful for Nathaniel. Okay, I'm assuming we're supposed to rinse this off just a little bit in this water. Try to get some of that out. Okay, Naomi, what color do you want, sweetie?
Purple. Yeah, purple.
Purple?
You like purple.
Just like a magenta, pinkish type.
Oh, I like
Same thing.
purple. Now you got purple. And I already got
Okay.
green.
So I guess since they have these colors, I'll do the red.
Yay! You did the red.
Red is kind of like pink, though.
Yeah.
Maybe when you mix it up, right?
Ready.
Okay?
Mama, nobody
And then,
knows the
so I guess
blue.
I'll use the green. Nobody don't, I'm not green. The red.
Yeah, red.
You're the
Spoonful for
red.
mama.
Mama, the yay.
I don't know if y'all can tell, but
Like the
matter of fact, comment down below where y'all think we from. By
Mommy
listening
didn't
to us
say
talk.
Yay.
Yay! I'm sorry. I was kind of busy.
Mama,
Okay.
nobody
Now that we
knows
have
the
that,
blue.
anybody want eyeballs?
I do.
Anybody want some eyeballs? You want eyeballs?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I want eyeball too.
Me too.
Nobody eyeballs.
Okay. Start stirring, Nathaniel.
Are you gonna get eyeball too, Mama?
Sure.
Yay!
It says to put a whole bag
Mom, that's
of the
done
eyeballs
now.
into, stir it up. It says to put a whole bag of the eyeballs, but it's 3 of us and everybody need eyeballs, so Nate, be careful. So everybody's gonna get some eyeballs.
No,
Start stirring.
me.
Give
Nana.
her,
Nana.
him. I'll take the last 2. Don't stir it too hard, you don't wanna knock it out.
Nana, why me?
Okay, stir it all up until you get the color.
Okay.
Stir, 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 stir. Okay, we're gonna keep stirring, 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 stirring.
You're the... It's
Come on,
turning
Nate.
into pink.
Nate, be careful.
It's turning into pink.
Okay, now it says measure 5 milliliters of slime activator solution and slowly pour into the bowl with glue while stirring with the slime stick. Always use the slime stick to stir. Do not use your hands. You will see the liquid mixture get thicker. Continue stirring until the solution is absorbed and it gels up.
What the hell that mean, Mama?
Also, guys, if you're gonna try this at home, always be careful. Don't make sure you don't get this kind of stuff in your eyes, because it could mess your eyes up. So always be careful. So Nate, let's see. Yours is as green as it's gonna get because it's supposed to be like a glowy green, okay? I'm not gonna get super green, okay? And yours is supposed to be like this light color pink, like what you have right here. And okay. So now we're gonna get the activator, which is this little bottle right here.
Activator.
And it says measure 5 milliliters. So, stop, Lord. Okay.
I want
Keep stirring it.
Me get turning too?
Yeah, both of y'all.
Okay.
Okay, so can't really tell because I still have that other glue.
Mama,
Keep stirring. Keep stirring it. It's okay. It's on the table.
Yeah, I bought some
stirring.
too.
It said to do it slow, but for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna speed up some. Naomi is yours.
Yay. Yay.
Keep stirring. And clearly I can't stir and do this, so I'll stir in a second. So yeah, 5. Oh wow, Nate's sticking it up. It's working pretty good, guys. It's working pretty fast. Okay, let's see. Let's see, can we get us some slime going here? We gotta mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Mix it up, mix it up. Whoa, look at that. Look at that, YouTube. Look at that. Look at that.
Whoa, Mama.
Hey, we in there. Look at that. Look at that.
That's amazing, Mama.
I know, mine always amazing. Let me help you out. Let me help you out. Let me help you catch up.
Thank you.
Let me help you play catch up game.
Get that
Oh.
thing. Wow.
Hey.
Mommy
Hey, you need help too? Who are you? You Nate. Do I know you? Hey, look at that, you too. Look at that, y'all. We did it.
Yeah.
For $11, we got. Let's see. Everybody take their sticks out. Let me see them brown. Roll them up. Let's see. Woo! And truthfully, you know, you could save these. You could save your bowls and like wash them out because we still have a bunch of paint left. We still have all this activator. Keep in mind, we only use the white glue. So the clear glue is still full, and you use the clear glue for like the other type, the translucent. So like, yeah, so it turned out pretty good. So comment below, tell us what you think. Pretty cool.
I love it.
Oh, my eyeball fell out. I can see why they want you to use the whole pack of eyeballs in one bowl though, because it'll make it more like that little crispy, that little clicking sound. But overall, this turned out pretty neat, nice and neat. It was a pretty fun activity, after school activity to do with the kids. So I guess that is it for today. Thank you guys for watching our video. We hope that you enjoyed. Clearly they are busy, they're occupied. They don't even realize that I'm closing out the video. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. You got anything you want to say? You want to say bye? By the way, he wants to make slime, but if you can't tell, he don't like for sticky stuff to be on his hands. So now he's over here like, yeah. So yeah, you got anything you want to say?
Yeah.
What do you want to say? What do you want to say?
See you later, YouTube.
She says, see you later, YouTube. Peace.
Next